Hey you guys, so I want to show you what I perceive to be as the unwinnable setup right here. Remember those gyozas I was looking at? Look at this. So this gyoza is no longer on the side platform. Link is in the description if you wanted to see it. Now it's on this platform that looks like an X. Now, I know some of you will be like, well, Erica, maybe you can just flip it forward. As you guys saw, you can't flip it over. The other thing too is if you go to the side view, if you look over here, you can see that there's a bar intersecting over here. So it seems that the only way this prize can be won is somehow it mysteriously flips forward, and I just don't see that happening. Because see, we have a bar intersecting here going right through. So it's not like it's going to fall, it's going to fit in the gaps here. Look at the side view. See how narrow these two spaces are here? I don't think it can go sideways. And when I was looking at this, I'm not seeing how this can flip forward either, because if you see, you can see this bars intersecting right here. Now, if it can't flip forward and it can't fall between the bars, how is there a way to win this prize? Well, I'm here to tell you that there is a way to win this prize. You know what it is? This is the only machine out of the Gyoza plushie machines that has an assist. Yes, if you spend $50, a Toreba employee will make this a one-shot for you. So from my understanding, based on what I'm seeing, you can measure the width over here. I'm not seeing it fall between this bar. See, this width here is wider than this, wider than this, wider than this, and since it can't flip forward, I truly believe this is unwinnable unless an employee tries to, and unless an employee makes it a one shot. And this is just my recommendation to you guys. If you ever see any setup where it looks like it's overtly complicated or it looks like it's a pain in the butt, don't even play the machine. Watch and see if anybody plays the machine. See if you see anybody win. And from what I saw in this setup, I've seen several plays. I haven't seen anybody even getting close to win. Every time I see it lift up, I'll see it get I won't see it flip forward because of this barrier here or here at all. And that's all I want to say. This is a 2000 TP or $2 a play machine. Really, it just isn't winnable. And I hope that Toreba I hope they change the setup so people don't have to spend $50 to win a prize. And here's the side view again if you guys want to look at it, analyze it, and yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, and as always, don't be a clown. If you do want this Gyoza plush, buy it outright from eBay, Mercari, Facebook. Watch my Toreba PSA. Thankfully, I haven't seen any Toreba whales wail on this machine because it looks scary. It looks like there was no shortage of bars in the Toreba warehouse. And understandably so why no one wants to touch this machine. See ya.